I do. You sniff my ears.
Okay.
Dad, you have to sit down.
I'm sitting over here.
What's on me? Watch it. Let me take time.
Okay.
I'm a little afraid that people like you will laugh.
We won't laugh.
Don't worry about that. You do what you want to do. We don't worry about people laughing. In life, there's always going to be people that laugh and people that don't laugh.
I'm looking at you. What? I'm trying to do his hair ready.
Okay.
I'm gonna sit.
You want to sit?
Yeah.
Okay.
What song is it? Let's see, you see. It's about love. You'll just be from Mom.
Oh, okay.
Is it from your head?
Nope.
Okay.
From your heart.
Oh, okay.
Very good.
Oh, need this before.
Okay, well then I'm sure I loved it. So go ahead.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Let her go. I see you.
You pay attention?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sorry. It feels like I mean.
Collect your thoughts.
You know what happens? So sometimes it's good. You could face the other way and do it.
I'm starting to laugh.
That's
Oh, you
okay,
were. You were
all
doing
right.
great.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
Look, Tyke's
Maybe
here, too.
face the other way instead of facing mommy.
You might hear this. You
Yeah.
want to hear this? Why is that doing me?
Mhm.
Attention?
Yes.
Attention?
Attention.
Attention!
Okay.
Quiet. That means a quiet. Attention means a quiet. Okay. Take me time to think about what I was going to sing. Because that time that I did not think about it.
Okay.
Well, it sounded beautiful, so you think about it because it sounded beautiful when you started.
Okay, hold on. It feels like my heart's going down, down, down to the ground. Look up to the stars in the sky like it does don't care. Whoa, It's a good song.
Yay!
I figured that
Oh, we
one
loved it.
before.